What?
Yeah, pretty silly, right?
How did he do that?
I don't want to hit him.
He'll get it.
I knew he could reach so far.
I didn't either. He really likes the carrots.
And the turtle just ate my carrot.
I saw that. That was awesome.
Yes, he did. I'm also carrot.
Yeah, you are. We better slow down, but it's so fun. Whoopsie.
He'll get it with his tail.
Look at, with his tail. Did you see that?
Oh.
This is the last.
Pretty useful tail.
Sammy. And we have to move on. Oh, I love that.
You could get a pet like salami.
Well, they're very, very expensive and they're very difficult to take care of.
Why?
Because monkeys aren't really supposed to be pets. They're supposed to live in the jungle.
Well, this one has that. Well, this one has that.
All right.
This one's a spider monkey. He sure does utilize that tail.
Yeah. Did you get a video of him eating the carrots?
Got him reaching it with his tail too. This is still a video.